We know at the world level, we expect termites to be around $40 billion in damage every year. And in the US alone, it's at least $5 to $10 billion. So if we narrow down to Florida, which has the highest number of termite species, we can say that there's easily going to be $500 million to maybe 2 to 3 billion worth of damage, of repair and treatment. Depending on where you are in Florida, not everybody is at the same risk of termite damage. If you're somewhere in a city, your chances are increasing to be exposed to one of the termite species around. They tend to show up in urban centers as they're being moved around by people. So the more the people, the higher the chance that some of these invasive species will piggyback, establish, and become a problem at these locations. Termites are active all year long. It's not because we don't see them that they're not a problem. They are chewing on wood throughout the year. When people tend to notice them is going to be during the dispersal flights, or what we call the swarming season, when the colony are mature and they produce this unique type of individual, which are the termites that have wings. If you have a swarm around your house, doesn't mean your house is infested, but that means you are in an area that is relatively at risk. There's a long history of termite research at IFAS. The research has been driven to try to provide solution to the consumer, and over the years, IFAS has delivered to provide new innovations so we can provide protection to the structures in Florida. The baits technology that we place around structure or directly where the subterranean termites are, this was developed here at IFAS, and over the years we've been refining and innovating on making this technology more accessible and more efficient. On the other hand, we also have the drywood termites, to which baits are irrelevant. They're isolated from the rest of the world in a single piece of wood. There's no way that these termites will find the bait. The fumigation industry, the idea is to tent a structure, bring a gas inside to kill anything that is in there, including the colonies that are located inside the wood. This technology has been improved under IFAS. The innovation, and more important, the understanding of the biology of termites is actually critical for the pest control industry to understand what they're seeing when they're looking at a termite problem and know what to do in this given case. The pest control industry is our partner, and we need them as much as they need us in a way that how do we do things better to protect structures and trees.